Sunup, illuminating the dawn of understanding. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and simple word that describes a moment every day that has been admired for centuries, sunup. It's a word that might be new to some of you, so let's explore its meaning and how to use it. Sunup is a noun in English. It refers to the moment when the sun first appears on the horizon in the morning. It's that magical time when night transitions to day. Think of it as the morning's answer to sunset. While sunset marks the end of the day, sunup marks the beginning. Though the word might seem like a modern term, it's actually been used for quite some time. Sunup is a compound word, formed by combining the words sun and up. It's a straightforward way to describe the sun's upward movement in the sky as it rises. Now, let's see how to naturally use sunup in sentences. 1. I like to start my day early, right at sunup. 2. There's something peaceful about the world at sunup. 3. We have to start our journey at sunup to avoid the afternoon heat. There you have it, a brief journey into the world of sunup. This word captures a beautiful and universal experience. So the next time you witness the first rays of the sun in the morning, you'll have the perfect word to describe it: sunup. Hope you found this enlightening. Stay curious and keep learning.